My name's Lynn Robinson. I've worked with the Traveller community for over 16 years. Got a vast array of opportunities for our young people, which is complementary to their mainstream education as such.
All of our Gypsy Traveller pupils at Key Stage 4 will have a completely bespoke curriculum package which is built around them. It will include core subjects, particularly English and maths, but also we'll look for other courses which play to young people's interests to help them to see the value in education.
Business buddies where they run their own business, a gardening project where they'll be cooking and growing their own veg, and this will be made into a traditional cookbook. We've got a fashion project, we've got hair and beauty going on.
Working in the garden, planting stuff, it's fun.
The approach I would like to make is going to college to get an apprenticeship, because what I want to do is be a carpenter, and being down here can really help getting those GCSEs that I really need to be in college and get a good apprenticeship.
We support parents, grandparents and the community as a whole. It is a holistic approach, so we could be looking at supporting them with doctor's appointments, health appointments, but primarily is education.
I mean, for me and Lynn, we go back a long way. Lynn's always supported me in a lot of different ways. I don't look at Lynn as a school teacher. I look at one of my close friends. Well, my youngest boy, he used to come here, and he's coming up 24 now, and he did go to a couple of different other schools, and he said the best school he ever went to was Westmont.
Well, I think every child deserves the opportunity and chance to make the most of their potential. So it's important that we give those opportunities and support the Gypsy Traveller community. You know, we appreciate, we're inclusive, but we also appreciate and embrace their diversity and their heritage and culture.
Traveller education is about belonging, and if a young person belongs to a school, to a setting, they thrive. That's the purpose for getting our young people the qualifications, upskilling them and moving on to education and training, and encouraging our young people to become the best they can be within education.